Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have BOSE 700 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily install its app for your Android phone. At first we have to go to our Play Store app and then we have to click search. In the search tab we have to search for BOSE. And now we have to click search. As you can see, it's the first one, BOSE from BOSE Corporation. Now we have to click install. It might take a while, so don't worry. As you can see, our app is now installed. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.